Hi everybody, my name is Ivica. Thank you also very much for being on my latest UEFN or Unreal Editor for Fortnite tutorial that will show you how you can quickly and easily add weapons to your UEFN island. Now, there are a bunch of ways how you can add weapons, give them directly to players, spawn them on specific locations, place them into chests and so forth, but for starts I'm just going to show you a single method that includes a device that is called an item spawner. So we're going to search for it in your content browser here under search all for item spawner. Right now it's going to take a second to load up, but here it is. Item spawner. Now don't get confused because it's not placing it on the top of your search list. As you can see, it's finding capture item spawner. For some reason armor bus battle bus spawner is the first one, but if you scroll down you'll find it here, item spawner. Highly configurable item spawner. Place the device and drop items into it to register them. So we're going to drop it on our island, and right here we have the item spawner. Here under different options we're going to edit several of these, and we're going to discuss ways how items can be granted. Now first of course is to find or add the item we want to provide to the players. That's here, item list, the list of items associated with this device. Right now it has 0 elements, so we're going to go to this add element, and here we have the index. We're going to drop it down, and under none we're going to search. As you can see, here's the list of all possible items you have in the game, but let's search for a rifle and let's add burst assault rifle, for example. Once we do, you'll see immediately in your game's preview that the same rifle is now present in the spawner. So with the rifle selected, we can now have the item that we want to provide to our players. How do we do that? Well, there is a bunch of both user options, advanced options, and functions. So let's say that we want to provide it on a timetable system where we want to spawn the item on a particular period. So let's say 1 second. Respawn item on timer. We don't want to do that, we just want to spawn it once. And now once the game starts, the 1 second passes, the item will appear here. Under advanced we can also check out item respawned, random respawn off, base visible during game, yes, we want to have it. Run over pickup means that players can simply run over the device and pick up the item. Allow spawning when blocked. Item scale, we can make it larger so it's better visible. Enable at the start games, continuously spawn item. If we say this, it's going to keep spawning them as long as someone's picking them up. And we have the list of who is able to use it under what circumstance. We're going to keep it everything as is. Finally, we have option of the control of the device. We can enable it, disable it at a particular moment. Cycle to next item, spawn item. We can also spawn it directly to the player. It doesn't have to be picked up, but in this case this is the simplest, easiest, most direct option of creating it. Now if we would go to the launch session, once my player is spawned here, a second later this gun would appear here. I could simply run over it and place it in my inventory. So there you have it, pretty simple, very straightforward. Hopefully you found this video useful, hopefully you found it as something you can apply in your Fortnite creative and UEFN games. Thanks so much for being here. My name is Ivica. If you'd like to support me, please check out my Patreon page, please check out my channel memberships, please check out my books on Amazon. All of those links are in the description below. But the cheapest, easiest, fastest way to support me is to subscribe to my channel. Leave a like, leave a comment or a question if you have one, and be here for my new tutorials. That's all for me. My name is Ivica. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day, have a loads of fun in your Fortnite creative and UEFN adventures, and I'll see you on my next clip. Until then, bye bye.